Robotic lifters transfer the sealed cryocrate onto a conveyor lined with polished steel rollers.
The polymerization seems complete at this resolution.
See the consistent bending? Yes, that confirms the stability we need.
The polymer structure looks stable at high temps.
And the fiber bonding data confirms it. We are good to proceed.
Okay, lift your side higher. Careful, it's slipping near the steam. Get it over the grate. Got it.
Mechanical scrapers refine the underside polymer layer, creating a smoother bonding surface.
Check the pressure valve on the main vat. We have an amber warning. Adjusting the parameters now. It's returning to normal levels.
The panels then move into a stabilizing bath that strengthens fiber integrity for long-term durability. Heated laser rollers smooth and fix the new coloration into the polymer grain structure. A compression belt warms the fiber surface, pressing it into consistent thickness across all panels.
The hide enters a vertical steam tower, where controlled bursts expand and relax engineered fibers. Industrial fans blast across the material, evaporating internal moisture for a perfectly balanced surface.
Warm lamps generate slow, even drying that enhances deep black luster across the synthetic grain. A polymer preservation mist coats each panel with a protective nanoshield.
Look at the alignment right here.
I see it. It's outside the tolerance.
The preserved synthetic panels enter an airtight automated locker, awaiting finishing.
Ultra-fine finishing sprayers coat the panels in a flexible gloss that amplifies the exotic sheen.
Soft bristle automated brushes sweep residue as sensors confirm flawless edge integrity across every curve. Nano sprayers apply a deep penetration sealant that enhances flexibility and boosts long-term durability. UV curing tubes activate instantly, locking the sealant into the synthetic panther grain surface.
Heated smoothing plates glide across the panels, eliminating micro wrinkles and enhancing polymer grain flow. Automated gloss sprayers deliver a uniform surface sheen, giving the panels a premium black mirror finish.
Each stitch is tightened by hand to ensure durable seam tension across all jacket segments.
Edges are burnished with heated rods to create smooth, premium, rounded contours.
A shaping clamp locks the stitched panels into place, reinforcing overcoat curvature.
Reinforcement strips are installed on pressure points to guarantee structural longevity. Temperature-controlled plates press the lining into perfect adhesion with the synthetic leather interior.
Bye.